The Board of Control for Cricket in India has set UAE as the venue for upcoming edition of Indian Premier League. To get news related to cricket, subscribe to our channel Crick Cover and hit the bell icon to get notification instantly. After the cancellation of T20 World Cup scheduled to happen in October-November window later this year due to COVID-19 pandemic, the BCCI has got window to host IPL. As the cases of COVID-19 in India is multiplying in geometric ratio, it was seen impossible to host IPL in India. So hosting the IPL abroad is only option left. Earlier, there was a news that 3 countries had offered BCCI to host IPL. Those countries were Sri Lanka, New Zealand and UAE. But BCCI on Tuesday confirmed the news that IPL 2020 edition will be held in UAE as timing of matches is appropriate for Indian viewer. It is there to be confirmed the schedule for IPL. IPL chairman Brijesh Patel confirmed to Crickbuzz on Tuesday about the news that the board has returned to the government seeking permission to hold the tournament in UAE and are waiting the go-ahead. We have returned to the government seeking permission to host the IPL tournament in UAE, Patel told Crickbuzz. The date has not been finalized yet and will be decided at the next IPL GC which will be held in next 7 or 10 days. IPL, which was scheduled to begin in late March 2020, was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. BCCI looked at several alternatives in bid to host it later in the year in India. Board has several countries, Sri Lanka, New Zealand and UAE, among other offered to host the tournament. Last month, the Emirates Cricket Board had offered to host the tournament in UAE, stating that they had the required infrastructure for it. Patel has insisted that the option of hosting the tournament in India has not been eliminated as yet. The decision will be taken in upcoming IPL governing council meeting. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Stay tuned to get accurate news related to cricket. Thank you.